Hello friends, welcome to Let's Automate. In this session, we will discuss about industrial automation. What is industrial automation? Automation is the use of control systems such as computers or robots for handling different processes and machineries in an industry to replace a human being. Manufacturers use machines that are operated through different control systems like programmable logic controllers or PLCs, human machine interface or HMI, and robotics. Automation uses logic and programming to feed the machine information on how to carry out function. These machines allow for high control which improve manufacturing performance. There are few different types of industrial automation systems. Hard or fixed automation is made for repetitive tasks with high turnout rates. Programmable automation is used for batch production where the automation process can be modified. Soft automation allows for flexibility and changes to product quickly and easily. Some of the benefits of industrial automation in a manufacturing environment include high reliability, increased productivity, quality enhancement, and reduce labor expenses. Industrial automation has recently found more and more acceptance from various industries because of its use benefits such as increased productivity, quality, and safety at low cost. By taking advantage of automation technologies, industrial processes automatically adjust process variables to set or desired values using closed-loop control techniques. Automated systems provide a communication link between the process area and supervising area, thereby allowing operators to control and monitor the industrial processes from a remote location. For more information about industrial automation, visit us on the web at letsautomate.in or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.